Hello and welcome back to Tomtronics. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use an I2C LCD with Arduino. By the end of this video, you'll be able to display text on your LCD with just a few simple steps. Before we start wiring, let's define I2C. I2C stands for Inter-Integrated Circuit. It's a communication protocol that uses only two wires, SDA for data and SCL for clock. This makes it much easier to connect devices like LCDs. Instead of many pins, we need only 2 pins. Here's what you'll need: an Arduino Uno or similar board, a 16x2 I2C LCD module, jumper wires and Arduino IDE. Connect the pins as follows: GND to ground pin on Arduino, VCC to 5V on the Arduino, SDA to analog pin 4, SCL to analog pin 5. Open Arduino IDE, go to Sketch, then include Library, then click on Manage Libraries. Now search for Liquid Crystal I2C and install it. Here you will see a button showing Install. Click that. Then this will appear. First, we include 2 libraries, Wire.h and Liquid Crystal I2C.h. A library is a set of pre-written code that saves us time. Instead of writing complex instructions, we can just call simple functions. Here we tell Arduino what kind of LCD we're using. 0x27 is the address, and 16. 2 means 16 characters, 2 lines. In Setup, we start the LCD and turn on the backlight so it's ready. We start by clearing the LCD. Then we move the cursor to the top left and print Tomtronics. Next, we move to the second line and print I2C LCD demo. Here we add a 2-second delay. Here we do these same steps and print Hello Arduino and Easy with I2C in the second line with 2-second delay. Void loop is a special function in Arduino. After the setup runs once, the loop keeps running again and again, forever. Now that our code is ready, let's compile and upload it. Here we can select the board. Here mine is Arduino Uno. Now let's upload our code to Arduino. Today we defined I2C, learned about the library, connected the hardware, and displayed text on the LCD. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Tomtronics. Thanks for watching.